Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on the journal I'm currently using as a planner, as well as a haul of items I purchased from Two Little Bees and the Planner Society. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This journal is from Target. I believe it was around $10 or so. It is a lay flat journal, and it is also lined. You may be wondering, how am I turning this into a bullet journal? Once you add some stickers and just lay things however you want it, it is what it is. You make it work for you. This journal is my solution from this, which is a mini HP. The cover and the disc, if you're wondering about the clear options that I have, are from cloth and paper. I'll have it linked below for you to check out. I am a strong believer in your planner meeting you where you are in your life. It needs to accommodate everything that you have going on. I know a lot of people change their planners, but I feel like changing your planner and having a system are two different things, because you can change your planner and still have the same system. I know at I Heart to Plan on Instagram, she changes her planner all the time, but her system is always the same. And that is something to really note, because even though I am moving from here into here, my system of wanting to have a place to journal, to take notes, to write about my day, and to write down what I have going on, like a to-do list, that's all I need. But I really thought about the system that I wanted and not so much the planner, and that just made my decision so much easier to move into this journal. And going forward in my planning journey of the productivity tools that I'm using is, what do you have this for? What is your purpose of using this in the first place? With this, I loved setting it up, but I feel like sometimes we get so hung up on the setup that we forget the purpose. The purpose of me getting this and moving into this was so that I could have a section for planning and a section for YouTube and a section for notes. And within a month, I really lost sight of that. And I was just finding and figuring out what it is that I can add. What deco can I add? How can I move this around to make it look better, to make it look Instagram worthy? So I'm forgetting about all that, and I'm getting back to the essence of what my purpose is for planning. And again, it's a to-do list, notes, and journaling, and venting, and being one with myself, and focusing and concentrating on what brings me joy. So that's that. This, what I went ahead and added, the paper in the front here was orange like this, and as you can see here on the front. And the cover is the color palette that I really want to continue throughout the planner as well. So here I have a collage that I'm working on. I just started a little bit, and I was inspired by Posh Plans on Instagram. I saw her doing it in her planner. And this is just a snapshot of everything that's going on in my head. Something I look at, something that inspires me, something that I feel passionate about. That's all going to be going here. So you guys will be seeing updates on this as I continue to share with you guys updates on and throughout this journal. These pages here were from this past week of June 22nd. And then here I made an inbox page. The paper is from Michaels, and then this sticky note is from, it was actually in the Happy Mail box that I got from Yolanda, and I have all of the orders that I have coming in that I've recently placed. So that's that. Then here on the back, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be putting here. If I'm going to put another piece of scrapbook paper or what, I'm not sure. I also don't know if I want to save this, put it on the back, throw it out. I don't know. It is what it is right now. Here is my July cover page, and this is a smaller paper pad from Joann's, and I just lined up the design, and I'm glad that it's continuous. It really worked out, and I layered This is from another paper pad. This is cloth and paper, and I'm thinking of either putting a quarter box or a full box, no, a quarter box or a half box to fill this line here and put the month of July. Then this is where the planning is going to be happening, and that is where the stickers I'm going to show you guys comes in. And then let's just talk about the divider for my notes section. I love, love, love it. The paper is Michael's. This is from Fabulously Creative. This is cloth and paper, and I'm really trying to use up these circles. And then this is from the Jewel Box, and all three of those shops are Black owned. If you want to know about more Black owned planner shops, I have a video on that. I'll have it linked below, and I have another one coming soon. And I know that Michelle said that there's going to be a collective sale. Let me give you guys the tea on that. It is going to be a Black Shop Owners United collab sale July 17th through the 19th, and I can't wait for that. So that is that, coming up in a few weeks. And this tab here is from Dollar Tree. Comes in a pack of 12. You can also cut these down if you want to make them smaller. And I'm also going to be putting one on July up here. I just took it off to be able to map this out. And I might be using one of the cloth and paper stone flags. I think I have one here just to mark the day that I'm on. So that is that. Do I have more of those cloth and paper stone ones? Let me see. Is that the only one I have? Maybe. I don't know why I had another one. I thought I had another color. Guess not. So that's that, and that is the journey as far as what I have set up. I also decided to set this up off camera because I was in my room watching TV, just laying out, lounging, and it was just so therapeutic, and that's what I need. That is what I need. And moving into this, I was really inspired to just get back to like crafting and cutting paper and not hoarding anymore, from Confident Canvas and also Journal Jot and Jive. I love their journaling, so I'll have their Instagrams linked below for you guys to check out. Let's go ahead and get into this haul. It is not a lot of stuff, so let's jump into it. So first up is Two Little Bees. I purchased the Be the Change collab sampler, the collab that was with Dion at Blue to Fleet Epiphany on IG. 100% of the proceeds were going to be split between two organizations, Color of Change and The Conscious Kid. And as of June 12th, $500 had already been raised. So I love the kit and I love the cause of where the funds were going to be donated. So I went ahead and purchased, and the sampler was only $5. So with it, you got this here, which has full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, icons, and flags. And then this down here that says Be the Change, it actually is a sticker, I should say. And then here in this box, in a world where you can be anything, be kind, hashtag Black Lives Matter. And then it also came with this journaling card that I went ahead and laminated that says Be the Change. And then also Two Little Bees, this sampler, this collab came with her sampler, which is leopard, very wild styled-esque. So that is that. And this, when I saw it, I was like, this matches the Planner Society kit perfectly. So let me go ahead and share with you guys that. I got the mini box sticker kit, and after I got it, I was like, I should have just got the mini kit, which had more deco and the scrapbook paper. But I did go ahead and purchase the digital paper that I'm going to print out, and then I can put that inside of my journal. So it's a win-win either way. And I can also reuse this packaging. I'll show y'all how right now, and turn it into a pocket. So it's literally just cutting that off. I would actually go back in with my paper trimmer and make this a cleaner edge. And then I can even go down and cut a little section here and then stick some stickers inside of it. So that's another option to reuse the packaging, because Planner Society always has super cute packaging. But even with your other stickers, if it's like a thicker cardboard, turn it into a dashboard, or just stuff like this from other sub boxes and stuff you may have, you may want to reuse it in your planner. So that's what I'm doing with that. Now this came with these girls here. Are they not freaking beautiful? So there's brave, bold, strong, and daring. So I love this. I don't really fall in love with all the Planner Society stuff, but this one I just had to have. Also with Deco, there's these full boxes as well as these icons at the bottom. But y'all, these are so, just a smidge there. These are so daggone cute. I love these. And these are all half boxes. Same with this page here. Then there was also this functional one which has some trackers as well as some headers and then the numbers here. And I'm debating on whether I want to use these numbers in the boxes that came with the 2 mini weekly kits in here. But there's also some mini flags, which would be good for my budgeting. And then some checklists. These right here, I wouldn't even use as checklists. I would just put them down for decoration and layer them because I don't really like checklists all the time. I just don't really use them in my planner style. Then the 2 mini kits are these. So you have the days of the week, and then you have some washi like strips, and then this one has flags, and then this one here has boxes. And then here are the matching check boxes and then the quarter boxes. And because these are so matchy, I would actually, hello Lakia, get it together. I would actually flip these just to mix it up a little bit. So that is all that I purchased, and I love how they coordinate so well with each other so I can use them together. And I'm excited to use the scrapbook paper that I am going to actually just be printing out on printer paper and putting it inside of here, and it's going to be fine because I'm taping it onto another page. So I'm so excited to print it. I've tried to print it, but my printer's acting weird and it's not printing right. So I may have to get new cartridges, clean out my printer, and if all else fails, go to Staples. So that is that. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this update and mini planner haul. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and also let me know what planner you're currently using. In the description box, I will have links to products featured as well as related videos, and of course the links to the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. I appreciate you so much. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.